Alright, quick tip. You got one of these old Briggs&Stratton automatic choke carburetors like this, and the thing still doesn't work right even if you put a new diaphragm in it? Well, they're kind of bad for warping. If you take like a precision straight edge or a nice metal ruler and look across it, you might see a gap in here where it's touching out here. This happened to me once about 16 years ago on my dad's lawnmower. It worked perfect for 32 years, never even cleaned it, and I used it once, shut it off, started back up, and acted up. Put a new diaphragm in, same thing. These fuel tubes, they just thread in. They're a hex on the end. Find a wrench that fits. This one I think was 3/8 and this one was 9/16. Give them a little turn, they come right out. Get yourself a, this is just 150 grit, but 180 to 320. You might want to finish it off with something smoother. Find yourself a, pardon the mess, find yourself a good flat surface. Find yourself a good flat surface and just start sanding it. That should have been enough to, you should start to see the sanding scratches. This one's really flat, but if it's warped, you'll see it'll start sanding it out around the edge here, and then eventually all of it will be sanded. You want to do it until it's all sanded. Okay, I sanded this for maybe 30 seconds, and look how it turned out. Since this one's flat, it didn't take any real amount of time, but if it's warped, it'll take maybe a couple minutes. It turned out beautiful. Now you can make yourself up a little sanding block and do the same thing to the tank, which I'll do here. Let me find a little block of something. Okay, I got it sandpaper wrapped around a machine parallel, and I just started on it, and this was a little warped right around in the vacuum chamber. Gonna go on a little X pattern. There, it's all nice and flat now. This thing will work till the end of time if you just do this. Briggs has that little roll pin and Teflon washer deal to fix this so they'll work when they're warped, when you don't need that. And this is actually, in my opinion, far better, and it only takes a couple minutes. Nice music, dude. It sits down there totally flat, doesn't wiggle. That diaphragm will seal and it'll work perfectly. This is just a little thing that I see some videos of these on the internet, and nobody ever talks about doing this. As far as I know, I'm probably the only person that's actually done this successfully, and it's been working flawlessly for 16 years ever since. Never even touched it since.